What causes my tankless hot water heater to have cold water issues?
Hello there. In today's video, we'll tackle a common problem that owners of tankless hot water heaters might encounter: cold water issues. We'll go over the common causes and what you can do about them. So, let's dive in.
What is a tankless hot water heater?
A tankless hot water heater, sometimes called an on-demand water heater, is a device that heats water directly without the use of a storage tank. When a hot water tap is turned on, cold water travels through a pipe into the unit, and either a gas burner or an electric element heats the water. This ensures that a constant supply of hot water is available, without the need to wait for a storage tank to fill up with enough hot water.
What causes cold water issues?
Now, onto our main topic. There are a few potential causes behind cold water issues in tankless hot water heaters. 1. Incorrect temperature setting. This is usually the simplest cause. The heater may be set at a lower temperature than needed, so check and adjust the settings if necessary. 2. Overuse or high demand. Tankless systems can only heat a certain amount of water at a time. If multiple appliances or showers are running concurrently, the system might not be able to keep up, resulting in cold water. 3. Blocked heat exchanger. Over time, minerals in the water can cause blockages in the heat exchanger, hindering the water's ability to heat up. 4. Issues with the gas supply or burner. For gas models, if there's an issue with the gas supply or the burner isn't functioning properly, the water won't heat up as it should.
How can I fix cold water issues?
There are several things you can do to fix cold water issues. 1. Adjust the temperature setting. Make sure your water heater is set to the correct temperature. If it's set too low, you might not be getting hot enough water. 2. Manage your hot water usage. Try to limit the number of appliances using hot water at the same time. This will allow the heater to adequately heat the water for each use. 3. Clean the heat exchanger. Regular maintenance, including descaling, can help prevent blockages in the heat exchanger. 4. Check the gas supply. For gas models, ensure there's no problem with your gas supply and the burner is functioning properly. Remember, if you're not comfortable performing these steps, it's always best to contact a professional. There you have it. We've covered the potential causes of cold water issues in tankless hot water heaters and what you can do to fix them. But remember, when in doubt, don't hesitate to reach out to a professional. They can diagnose and fix the issue safely and efficiently. Thank you for joining us in this video. We hope it's been informative and helpful.